Once in a while, you get to design a whimsical logo if the brand allows you, where you get to replace a letter with a graphic. That's what we're doing today. So, as I was going through my research for this video, I found out a couple of examples where the logo that was designed had a letter somewhere replaced with a picture or a graphic. So I thought I share this article with you. I'll share it in the description below. But it is so fun to do if it's done right. And yes, of course, do your homework. Go through what you need to learn about the audience that you're designing for and the company or the business that you're designing for. And if the brand allows you, by all means, try to show them different options where you've replaced a letter with a graphic. So I'm gonna link this down below so that you can have a look. Let's jump in and create our whimsical logo. Obviously, you won't do this for lawyers and serious brands like that, but for people who would allow you to be whimsical and get your creative juices going, by all means, replace a letter with a graphic. So the logo that we're designing today, we're going to be using Instagram Story because the mock-up that I found is the one that shows the client if women are passing by and they look at the yoga logo, it would attract them. So always present your work in a way that shows the client how are their clients going to see their logo, because you're selling the brand, you're selling your design, but at the same time you want to make sure that the client gets the full picture of how the logo is going to look like. Don't just send a picture on its own. So we've opened up a Instagram story post and we're going to change the background. We're going to make it completely dark and we're going to press T to create text, and we're going to change the font to the Shunit heavy square, and we're going to type our first letters, which is there, and we're going to make it 100. Next, we are going to change this size and make it 240. Size it to be exactly the same line as your E would be sitting on top of the yoga without the girl. And then we're also going to change the size of this and make this 240. And then park that for now, and then we're going to go to our elements, and on our elements we're going to look for a yoga graphic, and we're going to look for graphic, and then you're going to search and try and find a graphic that suits an O as well as the S, so that it flows nicely with the font and it flows nicely with what the clients are going to see. They must look at her and say, okay, that is a yoga studio that I want to go be part of, or do my yoga training with. And there's your 2D design logo with a character, and as you can see, the round shape of the font falls in line with the yoga. It's like somebody doing the yoga, and hopefully when the clients look at this, they want to attend the yoga studio and they would like to be part of the experience. And once you're done, you click on download and you download as is without making it transparent, and then the design is downloaded. You jump into Photopea and then you place it on your mockup. So you're gonna go find your PSD mockup. I downloaded this mockup from unblast.com. They have gazillion PSD mockups that you can use. So once it has loaded, you hide the name of the country, 4k.com, and you double click where it says poster, and you hide the actual design. You drag your design that you've just made to the poster itself, size it nicely so that it's over the canvas itself. Then you go File, Save as Smart Object, and once it's saved, you click where it says CityLine Poster PSD file, and your logo is done. I'm going to link down below the Canva 30-day trial that you can use and play around with Canva, see if you like it, because I'm enjoying my Canva at the moment. I will see you on the next one.